Hi, this is Ian for the HONOR Magic5 Lite, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without a device help. Just open first the control panel and find here scanner icon. If you don't have this icon here, like in my case, you should tap to edit icon, scroll down and find scan. Hold it, drag it to your panel and tap to done. After that, just click to scan icon. While using the apps only this time, now we should place our QR code here. Wait a second, and now open with Chrome just once or always. For example, I'll use just once. Accept continue, and now we can see that we're just directly opening this link. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.